It is Tuesday, the 16th day of April 2024, about 9:16 in the morning. What you're looking at here is a little parking area that can fit basically 3 vehicles. Down there's the road we came up on. And this is a trail. I cannot pronounce this name, okay? I'll put it in a little thing up here on this video. But you can see you're going to go this far and then you got to walk. It's supposed to be a 1.7 mile trail in, and obviously same thing back. It's an in and out trail. It's supposed to be a nice waterfall, and that waterfall is the same name as this trail. It starts with an S, but hopefully by now I've put the name on the video. And not too wide of a trail down here. There's an older couple in that Ford vehicle that just went ahead of us, and she had a printout of this whole thing, so she said these trails aren't well marked or anything at all, so we'll see what happens as we go along. We've not come very far at all. I just wanted to show you the water here. You can see it's got a greenish bluish tint to it, and I know if this waterfall that we're supposed to be heading to is running, it's supposed to be that same color up there. That's even better actually than this, so we'll go see. Okay, we come down the trail just a little bit and come slightly on a little off trail. Just wanted to show you again the color of this water more up close. You can see the green way better here, but it's running right here. Let's listen for a few seconds, okay, and get some sounds of nature. How's that sound? Hope it's good. Alright, now right up from where we just showed that last clip is the trails to my right. But check that out. They're pretty nice. I like all the moss and just all the green, the running water, of course. Let's listen to this for a few seconds. And then, just look at the pretty color leaves. The sun's just come out some. It's fading back away now. But isn't that a nice deep green? I'm going to lift you up here a little bit. I know you can see the color. This water from here, but I'm going to lift it up, get past these branches. Let's take a look at this. Alright, hopefully that looked good from up there. So we'll keep on going. Alright, here's our first obstacle we come to. They talk about there's trees on this path that usually you have to crawl over, but this is under. And this one coming up here, you could do over on the right, I guess, and then under on the left if you wanted. So I'll do the under. And here, before I do the under, let me just show you. See that water down there? I'm not saturating this video or nothing, I promise you. This is exactly what we're seeing right now. That water is green.
I'm going down this way.
Pretty cool. So let me do the under here. Backpack dragged in. Man, we got more right up here. So this will give you a little glimpse, if you ever come here to do this trail, of a little bit of what you can expect. So these are definitely unders too, instead of overs. Got moss on the rocks. And then these gigantic rocks. Check this out. Wow, look at the moss on this big one. How cool is that? And then that one right there. It's got a lot of moss too. Very nice. Alright. And up the hill up here. Here, while I'm going, just show you those rocks. A lot of moss and stuff too. Very cool. This little tree right here in the path. And just show you what a little bit of this looks like. This is the rootiest I've seen so far. So far this hasn't been normal. But yeah, some down trees and everything. Alright, I'll keep bringing you whatever I can find. Alright, got to give credit to my wife on this tree, finding it. Check this out. Look at that. Like a gigantic fork there. How cool is that? And again, you can see the water down there. And yeah, it really is that green. Alright, you see this rock here? Looks like it's growing here. It's not, it's plants, but you know, I'll try to zoom in a little bit and show you that close up. But then right over here beside it, right through there, you can see there's a gigantic rock. Got a lot of moss on it. Here, I think I can maybe get a better view right over here. Oh yeah, here we go. There, check that out.
Wow.
I'll zoom in on that just a little bit too. Let you see that up close and personal. And then see these smaller rocks down here. And all through here. And here's the path. So you can see overall, I mean, it's definitely not bad. And again, I keep liking to show you the water. Because again, I'm telling you, I'm not saturating this video or nothing. This is real. All these colors you're seeing, these shades of green, this is all real. Alright, I'll let you listen first to a sound here. It's right in there. I know you can't see it from this distance. It's a small waterfall, but I'm going to try to zoom in on that as much as I can and see if I can show that to you. Pretty neat sound, right? Let's give it a couple more seconds. Alright, and then you see right over here, it's like a little beach area, and then there's a rock wall up there on top of it. Alright, right now you're looking down at the ground because I want you to see a big reveal here. First of all, as I come up, you see this right here, the little waterfall right there. All the green rocks and everything. And check that out. Nice waterfall over there. Isn't that cool? Yeah, and that's a good looking scene right there. Alright, hopefully you like this. Right, let's do another reveal here. Check out this waterfall from this close up. How cool is that? All the way down. Pretty neat. Alright, now right over from the waterfall, we found just this little drip here. You can trace it down. And look what we can get down here in the bottom. A rainbow. How cool is that? Just stand here and look at it for a couple of seconds. Pretty neat, huh? I think so. Right, let me show you this little scene that we were passing. Going back to the main trail. Big rock there. Nice water running right there. It's coming from right here. And then as we come around, we hit the waterfall. How cool is that? Small, I know, but listen to the sound. And all those rocks up above it with all the moss and everything. Very cool scene, I think. We've come a little ways. What I'm going to do is try to zoom in down to that area and show you that rapid down there. It's running pretty good. That should be about long enough to see it, so hopefully you like that. Alright, so as we go up, look back through there and see all these trees and gigantic rocks there. And over in there, a little bit of water is dripping down. Sorry for the sun there, I can't really hide. Trying to get this behind the tree. Okay, hopefully it looks better. Alright, just wanted to show that to you, and there's the trail going on. There we go, there we got rid of that sunspot.
As long as we got this wind.
Alright, you see this fallen tree here. Well, back here behind it is a cave. Trying to get the sun out of this thing. You see some orange there. Yeah, it's pretty big. Hopefully it's coming through good. Alright, now check out this rapid down here. I'll raise this up and then try to zoom it in a little bit. Alright, I hope that came out good. I'll find out when I edit this. Alright, now all the way up through these trees there is a little waterfall. It ain't big, I'll grant you. But I just wanted to try to capture it and zoom in on it and see if you can see it. Hopefully that worked. Alright, we're going to try some of this waterfall here. This ain't the main one. It's a small one. Have it ran across. Nice landing, huh? I like it. Hope you do too. I want to show you some fungi here on a log. Look at this guy. Look at this one. How nice is that color? Look at this one. Okay, let's go up to the top. You see this one right here. And you got that one down there. You got these two out here. And then, you see those down there? I'm going to stretch this out and get you closer to them. I hope those came in good. I'll find out again when I edit this. Isn't that neat though? There's a bunch more of them way down there. Very cool. Have not seen any fungi like these before. Alright, so you see that big bright sky up there, and as we come down, look at this triple waterfall. Don't you think that is just beautiful? Because I certainly do. And then if we start coming into the bottom, you see the big rock. And where it terminates down there. Very nice shot, right? I knew you'd like it. Let's listen to it for a second. Alright, hopefully you like that. And this is the final payoff. You get over these logs here. This is the final waterfall. And the end of the trail. We finally made it. And I know they say you can even go over there and get under it. And we'll probably try that in a little bit, but I just want to show it to you from this side. Show you some of these big rock surroundings. And more rocks over there. And the greenery and everything. Pretty spectacular, is it not? I'll be getting some pictures of this, and I'm sure I'll get some more close-up video, and then we'll go from there. Alright, you remember I promised you a closer shot? Well, here I am, and it's a straight-on shot. Take a listen to the power of this thing. Isn't that amazing? You see how that's all falling on those rocks and causing all kinds of other waterfalls? And in this big pond, and look at the green water here. Very neat. And again, this is some of the rocks above this thing. Bright sky. If I bring it down and cut that bright sky out, you probably have butterflies just fly by. Pretty cool, huh? Man, I'm really impressed with that. So, I'll probably, like I said, I'm told that we can go over here to the right and then get around and get behind this. I'll probably shoot that, and that'll probably end the video. So stick with me here, okay? Alright, so I just wanted to show you, there's the waterfall. The last I was shooting it, I was up there. Now we come down. I'm going to go across these rocks here to get to the other side. You see she's already made it. I'm going to go that way and go in, go under the waterfall. And so I should get you some video from there in a few minutes. Alright, you remember the last clip? I told you that my next shot, which should be the final one, should be behind the waterfall. Well, let me see if I made it or not. I would say I made it, wouldn't you? And you're saying no, you didn't make it because you're not in the middle. Here, I'm gonna go through this muddy area for you. And boom, right there, I'm right square in the middle of this waterfall. And here, I'm gonna try not to slip and slide because this is nothing but mud. Look at this. That's it falling down those rocks, causing all those other little waterfalls. How cool is that? And there it is at the top. Listen to the power. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, as I told you, it's April the 16th, 2024. So, if you come here this time of year, hopefully you'll get this. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and I doubt you did, because let me tell you, I thoroughly enjoyed this. This has been about a perfect day. And so, hope you like it. Share this thing, because millions of people should see this. If you ever come to Alabama and get around in this area, and if you like doing hiking, it's not hard, but you know, it ain't easy either. Or just that intermediate level, come and do this. What an amazing treat it's been. I will see you on the next video.